Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to copy location link in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to copy the location link in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application on your phone, in order to copy the location link, first tap and hold on the place or on the Google Maps of the place which you want to copy the location link. For example, let's copy the link of this year's hospital over here. To do that, let's tap and hold on the place, and when the pin like this is dropped over there, a red mark appears, and when that red mark appears, guys, this kind of interface is also available for us. And you can see the direction, the start call button over here. If we swipe it to the left, you can see there is the share button also available for us. If you tap on the share button, this kind of interface will appear where you can see the link at the top of this interface where it says maps.app.google, and there is a copy paste button at the right side of that link. So let's tap on the share button again, and let's tap on the copy paste button, and you can see, guys, that link has been copied to our clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you like. For example, you can paste on your messenger, you can paste it on your WhatsApp chat or your memo. So I had copied that to my clipboard, and when we paste over here, guys, that link is available for us over here. And with that being said, guys, let's go back to the Google Maps and let's try that for another place. For example, I'll be copying the location link of my own home where I am. So let's tap and hold on it, and when that red mark appears, guys, this kind of interface appears. Let's tap on the share button, and when this interface appears, there is the maps.app.google.com over here something, and there is the copy paste button available for us. Again, let's tap on the share and let's tap on the copy paste button, and that has been copied, and we'll be able to paste it wherever we want. And with that being said, guys, this is how to copy location link in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.